Hello children, I hope you are safe and sound at your home. Today I am going to teach you image formation in plane mirror. Although it is not in your syllabus, but it is necessary to know how image is formed in plane mirror. What is difference between glass and a mirror? Glass is a transparent object, light passes through it, here image is not formed. And in mirror is an opaque object, light gets reflected, bounce back from the surface of the mirror, here image is formed. And plane mirror is formed by painting one side of the glass by silver paint. In glass, rays passes through it. In mirror, rays gets reflected, means when it strikes the mirror, it hits the mirror, it bounces back. Now, how image is formed in plane mirror? Suppose this is an object, AB is an object and this is a mirror. Then when when we draw the picture of image formation, we take two rays at least. So we are taking AP and AQ. AP hits the mirror and bounce back in the same direction. AQ hits the mirror and gets reflected. When we take it back, then these two rays meet at A dash, and image of point A is formed at A dash, image of B is formed at B dash. So image of AB appears to be formed. It is not really being formed, it appears to be formed at A dash, B dash. So it is not a real image, it is a virtual image. It appears to be formed and the distance of the object from the mirror is same as that of the image. It is erect in nature. Erect means it is standing. If tip is towards upward side of the object, then tip of image will remain in the upward side. But here is one important phenomenon is occurring, that is lateral inversion. What is lateral inversion? Like in mirror, when we write P like this, then the image is formed like this. Means it is inverted but laterally. That means left appears to be right and right appears to be left. That is called lateral inversion. That's why you must have seen that in ambulance is written in not in proper way, it is written in laterally inverted way, it is written, so that when the driver seeing the ambulance which is coming from the back side, then the driver sees the ambulance written in the mirror of his or her car, that is properly aligned. So this is the effect is called process of lateral inversion. So when we see our face in the mirror, then left hand appears to be right and right hand appears to be left. This is called lateral inversion effects, and this is all about the formation of image. Children, you must be revising your assignments. Teachers are putting their best effort. You also do the same. Stay at home, stay safe, listen to your parents and do hard work at home. Thank you.